Hello, I am Samantha Walters with the Foundation for Female Health Awareness. I would like to discuss some specific yoga poses that can help you strengthen your pelvic floor. Ginny Walters will demonstrate these positions for you. Our pelvic floor helps us stay in balance. It keeps us lifted from the base of our body and gives us a powerful grounding place to move from. We gather strength from the pelvic floor to resist the pull of gravity and improve posture and decrease pain. It also helps control our urine and bowels and is an important part of sexual function. It takes time to find and feel the pelvic floor muscles. We generally can sense them while urinating through the feeling of letting go or when holding our urine while looking for a bathroom. But other times, the pelvic floor is a more subtle, energetic feeling. People who have weak pelvic floor muscles might feel vague pressure in their pelvis. They might lose small amounts of urine or gas while coughing or exercising. The following yoga positions have been shown to help strengthen the pelvic floor as well as, or better than, Kegel exercises. We are all told to do Kegels, but how many of us actually do them and do them correctly? The following 3 basic positions will help you to strengthen and tone your pelvic floor. You don't need to actually do Kegels while in these positions. Just focus on the position and your deep breathing. Laying down, first breathe and recognize breath through your belly, through your ribs, and through your upper chest. Then lay down in an active pose, thumbs by your thighs, palms flat on the floor, lifting the center of your chest and drawing your shoulders in and down. Press your heels down into the ground and feel a general effort throughout the body. Lengthen your spine, especially through the back of your neck. Draw in the lowest part of your abdomen between the pubic bone and the belly button to begin to connect your mind to this spot. Breathe deeply and notice that the exhale takes you right there and the inhale feels like a drawing in from this spot. As you draw this point in towards their center, feel the lifting of the perineum. Practice gently lifting the perineum as if you were holding your urine. This creates a feeling of energetic lift of the pelvic muscles, which joins in with the drawing in of the lower abdomen to give you a sensation of lightness and centeredness in your whole body. These 2 motions will help you feel the whole of your pelvic floor. Let's take this awareness of your pelvic floor muscles with us into yoga postures. First, we will demonstrate the bird dog pose. For this pose, come onto all fours with your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Your head extends out forward with your eyes looking at the floor about 8 inches in front of your hands. Extend your right arm parallel with the floor alongside your ear. Lift and extend the left leg parallel with the floor. Once again, identify the pelvic muscles, floor muscles, and feel that support system. Since the arm and leg are extending straight out from your body, you should not feel a crunch in the lower back or a back bend. Your abdomen, head, and extended arm and leg should all be in line. Hold this position for up to 5 inhales and 5 exhales. To develop symmetry, switch arms and legs, always raising the opposite arm and leg. Next is the plank pose. Start on all fours. Move into the push-up position. Toes will be flexed and positioned under your heels. The plank is a straight line from your heels to the back of your head without the hips lifting or sagging to interrupt that line. Play with the stability of the pose by pushing back with your hand, which moves your body back towards your heels. Push with your toes now and move your body towards your hands. Once you find a balanced effort between your hands and your toes, breathe deeply for 5 breaths. This posture naturally helps lift and strengthen the pelvic floor. Finally, the leg lift pose. Lay on your back, palms on the floor by your hips. Lift your legs as one, which naturally lifts the perineum. Engage your lower abdomen to support the lower back. Keep your head on the floor. If you experience lower back pain, slide your hands palms down under your bottom to provide extra support to the lower back. Hold this position for 5 breaths. Do these exercises daily if you can, in addition to the Kegel exercises that you may already be doing. If you have diastasis recti or the separation of abdominal muscles, pay close attention that your symptoms do not worsen when you do these exercises. It may be helpful to seek out support from your healthcare provider or a physical therapist to make sure that you're doing the exercises that are most beneficial for your body. Hopefully, by doing these exercises over time, your pelvic floor will strengthen, your pelvic awareness will develop, and any related symptoms you have will improve. If bothersome symptoms persist, we recommend bringing it up to your healthcare provider. Thank you.